Hello everybody. Today's video is all about understanding the guidance for the month of December, in which we're going to look into what will be the scenarios, and we're going to look into what is the focus for the collective, the theme of the month for the collective, and some guidances for all of you. So, let's begin. Okay. I'll just take a minute to meditate upon the cards, and accordingly I will start. Now it's gonna be very general reading, so basically it will be very different for everybody here involved. I will begin with the bottom of the deck energy, which is Three of Pentacle cards, okay, followed by Death. So I feel and Justice. Wow, this is the bottom of the deck energy. Let's take it from here itself and then we'll begin. This speaks a lot about the reading because this is happening behind the scenes in our life. So basically, it's telling me that there are karmic situations, karmic people, karmic thought processes, karmic patterns, routines in our life that we are stuck to. Some partnerships, karmic families, karmic friendships, colleagues, co-workers, anything, whichever it is karmic. Now, I hope you understand what do I mean by the word karmic situation or karmic situationship, where you basically, it means that a situation in which you are there but just for the sake of money, but just for the sake of being there, not by your heart, by your intuition. Basically, you don't want to be in it, but you have to be in it because there is some consequences or something that you're receiving from it. That is why. But in the month of December collective, for you guys, you are going to be pushed to get out of this energy, because this is the middle energy. If you go to see Three of Pentacles, the Death card, and the Justice card, it's gonna be major, okay, because we see two arcana cards and this is minor arcana card. So basically it's gonna be a major change. In which area? In an area where you're attached, where you're stuck, where you're just there for the sake of being there. This is a guidance. This is something that I can tell you, that when I say the phrase or say the line that you're just there for there, just introspect on yourself and see which are the areas where you're just there for there. Those all areas which are not good for your soul growth, for your happiness, for your peace. Universe is gonna show you that it's not good for you. There is not at all a reason to hold on to these things, because these things are not helping you. It's not helping you, your body, your mind, your soul, your heart. It's time to leave. It's time to give yourself justice and people around you justice. Because you know what? Sometimes we are in the situation where we don't want to be, but we are there because of some reason. Maybe you want to earn money. Mostly, I feel a very high amount of energy. I feel it's because of the money. Because you're there for, because you're getting good amount of money, your finances are getting maybe are stable, are grounded, you have a foundation, but that foundation was not right, okay. So it's a card where maybe you're going to negotiate things with people in your office, in your place where you work, your career space. You're going to negotiate with these people in order to make sure that you get justice. And if you don't get justice, then universe is telling you, move away. Do not hold on to things that do not benefit you and mankind. This is a very huge energy. It's a Scorpio energy, but it's like it's Scorpio energy still has its effect. It's still there, So it's a alarm, like it's a warning for a lot of you out there, that you need to move on from the things that do not serve you anymore. And you know what? You know it. There's justice card. The justice card is on your face, that it's high time that you give yourself justice and people around you justice. So if you are in a place where you are holding on to people for whatever reason that you're getting, but if it's getting too toxic, then this is a sign for you. Yes, you need to leave. You need to leave. Okay. So 13, 3, 11. It's very divinely guided. Let the change happen, guys, because it's for your good. And the change is only gonna happen when you speak your truth. Because there is a negotiation card, there is a sword here. So the moment you start to speak your truth, communication, then you'll understand where you have to move on and where you don't have to move on. So this is the basic card that you are going to be dealing with in December. So in December, going to be dealing with things which are karmic, which do not no longer serve you, do not help you. So basically, this was the back of the deck energy, wherein in the month of December you're going to be dealing with karmic situation, which is not healthy for you anymore. You need to let go of it. You do not need to hold on to things anymore, because it's the time of justice. Libra energy. The signs that I get is Libra, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Might be a little bit difficult in order to move away from the people who are earth signs, because they are very rigid and stubborn. Let's just be honest. So the theme, the guidance for the month of December for the collective is the 8 of Swords, 8 of Cups, and 3 of Wands. Now if you completely see, they are mirroring 8, 8, 3, 3. There are all the 4 minor arcana cards: Swords, Cups, Wands, and Pentacles, which means that there is going to be setting in the balance. So maybe you all collective people, there has been a disbalance in your mind, in your heart space, and a little bit related to your material wealth, finances as well. Your body is doing well. In fact, the health is in good space for most of you. That's what I'm feeling. It's a general reading, so only take what resonates and let other things just flow. Do not. Now I get here is that 8833. A lot of you might be seeing a lot of 8 and 3 numbers, and 8 plus 3 is equal to 11, which is again divine timing, divine guidance. So a situation in which you are, which needs a balance. Now the thing is, I'll tell you one thing, I'm clearly seeing that there is a situation in all of your life where your heart wants to move on. It wants to forgive, it wants to let go of a particular situation, and it really wants to move on from a situation, but the mind is trapped. If you see the card clearly, the mind is completely trapped. Okay, now here the energy that I'm getting here for today is that it is trapped because it is influenced by the people around you. I'll be very honest with the energy that I'm picking up. The energy here I feel is you are trapped because you are in fear of what people will say, what people will think about you, the judgments. You are allowing others to have control over your mind. You're allowing others to have control over your thought process, which is not healthy thing. I mean, you need to understand it. It will be very, very, very better if you understand it earlier in your life. 8 is basically a never-ending story number, because I see it as an infinity sign number as well. Correct? So I see that if you do not let this thing go, you will not be able to move on from the things that you know. See, I'll tell you, you already at your heart space, you at the intuition, gut, inner voice, whatever you like to call it, you know it, that you don't want to be in the situation. You want to move on. You want to go towards the things that you will create a new world for you. It will create something that you always wanted to create. It will be a milestone for you when you move away from a situation that's creating. It's so chaotic to be in an energy of 8 of Wands energy. If you see, you're blinded, you're bound with judgments and how people will think about you. What should I do? I cannot hurt anybody. I just need to satisfy everybody. What about you? Isn't your energy drained? Your energy is getting completely drained. You're getting stuck, stagnant. You're not able to move ahead in your life. You're not able to move towards the you have an idea. You have some creative idea, a creative project. uh, it is not necessary it should be project or business idea or finance related. It can be as simple as you really want to settle out with somebody, just waiting for that one want to come in for the 4 of Wands situation, family, happiness, foundation. That one want will only come when you move away from this situation. When you move away from this situation, then this last wand, the fourth wand, space is here for a good foundation, whether it's relationships, whether it's work, whether it's finance, whether it's building a home, building a bungalow, brand. It can be anything. It is a very general reading. So take it how it resonates. As I said earlier, I see that you need to just get out of this space. And you know what? If you don't know which space, the space which makes you stuck, which makes you stagnant, which doesn't allows you to explore your life, it doesn't allows you to take new risk, leap of faith, new experiences. It's really, it can be even mind game. People around you might be playing mind games with you, which is keeping you trapped in a situation and you're not able to move. But universe is telling, in the month of December you need to move away from the things in order to get out of the stuck energy, to create a very successful relationship, career, home, anything that you want to create. And let me tell you, that idea is amazing. It's time to change. It's time to change. It's time to just walk away from this situation. It can harass your mental health. If you stay in here longer, it's not going to help you. It's already has its control over your mind. You need to get out of the situation. How? Just take a step towards something that makes you happy, that gives you that one hope of ray to make your life, a new rainbow, you know. For moving on, moon cycles will help you to move on, I see here. And you know what? Just imagine, okay, all the three cards do not show you their eyes. If you see clearly, I will just zoom in for you guys. But just see, just have a look at it. Nobody is showing you the eyes here. Do you get something? Does something click in your mind? It's because you have chosen to be in a situation where you're showing yourself blinded. You know things are wrong. You know things are not happening in the right direction. Still, you want to act like, no, things are going well. Who said? Internally, you know it's not helping you. It's not helping your health. You can take a toss on your health if you don't move on. That's all I'm telling you at the end. And it's a mind game. Remember that. So do not let your mind control your emotions. Emotions are already guiding you. Your heart is already guiding you to move away from a situation. Okay? Because there is something that's waiting for you on the ground. Okay? It can be a relationship, it can be a person, it can be a friendship, it can be a business partnership, it can be anything that's been waiting for you to take that one step to come out of this situation, go towards something that makes you happy, that gives you a ray of hope in order to live life again, rebirth, as we saw the death card. You know what? It's time to give yourself the justice. It's time to give yourself the justice and people around you justice. That's the theme for the month of December collective. Just take one step, move away from the things that do not make you happy, and you'll just know it. Listen to your heart, listen to your intuition. It's God's voice. Listen to it. And take the leap of faith and walk towards something that makes you happy. And there is a beautiful treasure that's been waiting for you to be acknowledged in order to, blessed, basically. There is something that's been there. Universe is, you can see this as a sign that universe is literally waiting for you, that when is the collective going to take one leap of faith, take an effort, show me that you know what, you deserve better, you are worth every happiness, peace, wealth, everything that you desire to, everything that you want, you're worth it for it. Let the collective take one step from their side, and I will set a tone for them. Just imagine one step you take, one wand increases. There's a four of wands energy. Basically, in tarot, it means four of wands is union, reconciliation, it's family, it's ultimate happiness, it's a great foundation, it is a moment of celebration, freedom, somebody getting married, somebody getting pregnant. You are going to create a full fledged foundation for a happy married life, happy life. It's not important relationships, but still, I'm telling you, okay? And you're just one step away from your happiness. So, it's a sign. Give yourself justice, give others as well. Okay, I'm going to pull out two cards for the advice. Overall advice for the collective for the month of December. Universe. Overall, sorry for the shaking of the camera. Overall, yeah, okay. Overall, it's the Sagittarius card. Can you see, guys? It's a very clear cut option from the universe. I asked for the advice. Universe is saying either you take a role, I'll just keep it this way, okay? So it'll be better. Just let me pull it a little above so you guys can clearly see what I'm showing you. Okay? Universe is saying you basically that the choice is yours. Either you would like to be in this situation, trapped, stuck, you're not going to be able to move, negative energy, negative entities attaching your energy field, your aura. They do not let you be free. They do not let you create your world, your happiness. Either you be in the situation forever, get stuck with it, and this is like the most dark cards of the tarot, which says that it's like basically hell on earth. Okay, so if you repeat the cycle, you be in this devil energy, or you have a choice that universe is presenting you to walk away and go towards something that makes you happy, that will set in the balance. As I said in the beginning of the reading itself, you're all imbalanced. You need to make an effort in order to give yourself justice for the balance to set in. Water might help you. Beach walks, spending some time near sea oceans, lakes. Vitamin D is something that I'm getting in, so go for sunlight. Like go on walks in the morning walks, something like that. And I say that you're literally given a choice, okay? Either you go for this or either you go for there. This is the devil, this is the angel. This is divine, this is the devil. 2 days in front of you, choose any day. That's it, because this is going to give you ultimate happiness. It's going to give you the peace of mind that you've been waiting for. It's going to open your heart towards all the peace, all the blessings that are needed to come in your life. And it is a successful, if you're asking me, should I go for it, what will be the outcome, it will going to be success. It's going to be the ultimate thing that you want, and it's a divinely guided thing. And these are two major arcana cards. So this choice that you make, either to stay or to walk away towards something that's going to give you happiness and peace of mind, it is going to help you to align to your, once you align, you can achieve 3 of Wands energy, which is basically creating something that you always wanted to create, as I said. If you see 14, 15, so universe is like, dear, please take a step back, introspect on what choices are you making. Are those choices that you are making on daily basis helping you, serving you, or they're just destroying the fuck out of you? I'm going to say the truth. Okay, please do not take any decisions or choices in hasty manner without even thinking twice that will it help you or not. Take a step back and make a decision to go towards something that will give you peace, not something which is very obsessive, which is glitter, something that you find good out but internally it's very fucked up. Do not go for that. It's very clear. And the bottom of the deck here, if you see, it's the King of Wands, and they say, oh, see you. Oh wow, four of. Let's see. Yeah. See, if you are not going to change, you will get stuck forever in a situation which is never going to help you. So, this is your reading for the month of December collective. It's time to reset. It's time to make right choices. It's time to change. Go towards something that always gives you peace and happiness. That's gonna be just my personal advice. The choice is yours. I hope the reading resonated. Have an amazing month, and the new year is on the line, so make vision boards, make manifestations for the year ahead. Have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you soon. Bye.